This is the Mauser Karabiner 98K, one of the most iconic bolt-action rifles ever made. Its story begins in 1898, when legendary German designer Paul Mauser created the Gewehr 98. That rifle didn't just serve Germany, it changed firearm history forever. Fast forward to 1935. Germany needed a shorter, faster, more practical infantry rifle. The result was the Karabiner 98 Kurz, or K98K. Bolt action, 5-round internal magazine loaded with stripper clips. Simple, powerful, deadly accurate. At its heart was the famous Mauser 98 action, a controlled feed bolt system so strong and reliable that it became the gold standard for bolt-action rifles worldwide. The K98K fired the fearsome 7.92 by 57mm Mauser, a cartridge capable of long-range accuracy and massive stopping power. In trained hands, this rifle was effective well beyond 500 meters. Shorter than earlier Mauser rifles, the K98K was easier to handle in trenches, forests, and ruined cities. It became the standard infantry rifle of Nazi Germany during World War II and served on every major front, from the frozen East to the deserts of North Africa. Many K98Ks were fitted with scopes, turning them into deadly sniper rifles, respected and feared by Allied troops. Over 14 million were produced, and even under wartime pressure, early models showed incredible craftsmanship. After the war, the K98K refused to disappear. Captured rifles were used by dozens of countries and later transformed into civilian hunting rifles. Today, the Mauser Karabiner 98K stands as more than a weapon. It's a symbol of engineering excellence and the rifle that defined the bolt-action legacy. Thanks for watching. Follow for more legendary weapons from history.